know the word in your head,
You feel it on your tongue.
but you don't say it.
Why? Because you're thinking too much.
Today, we break that habit.
Today, you start speaking English. For real.
Welcome back to your safe English space.
2 voices, 0 pressure.
This is not a class,
This is practice.
and today's promise is simple.
Stop thinking. Start to speak English today.
Let's be honest from the start.
You don't have a vocabulary problem.
You don't have a grammar problem.
You have a thinking problem.
The moment you want to speak, your brain opens 100 tabs,
Grammar tab, accent tab, fear tab.
and your mouth just waits.
That delay kills fluency.
Here is the reason.
Your brain is trained to be careful, not fast.
Speaking needs speed.
Thinking needs time.
You can't do both.
So here's today's solution.
You will learn how to talk without preparing,
Like real people do.
starting right now.
Say this sentence out loud.
Thinking is slowing me down.
One more time.
Thinking is slowing me down.
Good. Awareness is step 1.
Quick question.
Have you ever spoken English alone and it was okay?
But in front of people, you freeze?
That's because fear enters.
Fear makes you monitor yourself.
You listen to yourself too much,
Fluency comes when attention goes outside.
not inside your head.
Less thinking.
More reacting.
React fast.
No planning.
When someone speaks to you, respond with the first easy word.
Not the best word.
The first word.
Practice now.
I say a word, you say any word back.
Ready?
Coffee.
Good. No thinking.
Morning.
Nice. That's fluency training.
New rule.
1 second rule.
If you wait more than 1 second, speak anyway.
Even if it's wrong.
Let's try.
What did you eat today?
Speak now.
Perfect. That speed matters.
A learner told us this.
I waited years to speak because I wanted perfect English.
When I finally spoke, it was bad.
But after 2 weeks, it became easy
Why?
because the brain adapted to speed,
English is a muscle.
not a textbook.
Pause.
Smile.
You're doing better than you think.
Okay, back in.
Build English with small blocks.
Not long sentences.
I think so.
Maybe later.
I'm not sure.
Repeat with us.
I think so.
These phrases save you.
Quick quiz. Long sentence or short reaction?
Answer now.
Short reaction.
Lower your speaking standard.
Not your goal, your standard.
Aim for clear, not perfect.
Aim for message, not grammar.
Say it.
Clear is enough. Let's role play.
Casual situation.
Did you like the movie?
Any answer works.
Example.
Yeah, it was good.
Real talk.
Nobody's checking your grammar.
People just want to understand you.
Overthinking is blocking you.
True or false?
Fluency comes from silence.
Answer.
False.
Talk before you feel ready.
Confidence comes after action.
Finish this sentence.
English is hard, but
Good. That's courage. Describe what you see around you.
1 sentence.
Again.
Another sentence.
You're safe here.
Keep going.
You need help.
Try this.
Excuse me.
Can you help me?
Final question.
Thinking silently or speaking badly?
Answer now.
Speaking badly.
Let's recap.
Stop preparing.
React fast.
Short sentences.
1 second rule.
Speak daily.
You don't need permission to speak,
You just need to start.
even if it's messy.
Messy is progress.
Like this video if it helped.
Subscribe for daily speaking confidence.
Comment below, what makes you overthink when you speak English?
Next video is coming.
You'll learn how to practice English alone and still become fluent.
See you next time.
Keep speaking.